What up, everybody? Today is 7th of May, 2026, and your boy Chen One Day is back in the building. And let's talk about the trade that I took today. And let's talk about like I took two trade, basically one losing trade and one winning trade. And to be honest, today I was a bit emotional about my trading. I didn't lose money and I didn't like over risk crazily as well. I mean, I stayed below 3% threshold, right? But I definitely become a little bit um rush, right? I'm rushing the process. The demon, the greed is on my shoulder when I'm trading today, right? Like for some reason I'm not sure, right? Because when I look at like it's so random, but when I look at Nvidia's stock price, it just skyrocket, right? And I'm thinking, okay, if I can buy it at this specific price, I will up for many dollars. And I feel like I miss out all those opportunity. But in fact, right, there's a lot of opportunity waiting for us to capture or to capitalize on it, right? So don't need to worry about all those opportunity that you are going to miss, right? Because you can't capture every single move from the market, right? But long story short, my whole emotion today is like I want to chase something. I want to chase the money. I want to profit a certain amount of money today. I want to chase back my losses, right? This is the emotional battle that I still have, right, when I'm trading. But as a human, right, I believe emotion is inevitable in our trading. But we try our best to really minimize the impact of our emotion, right? But long story short, let's talk about the trade I took on gold, right? So basically, I took a very bad buy here. I conclude some reason for that why this is not a good buy. I took a buy at the top, right? Which is freaking amazing. And I got stopped out. But one thing that I did right is basically I managed my risk very quickly and I stick to my initial stop loss and I didn't hold my trail or something like that. Otherwise, I will hold a fucking mega drawdown like a 600 pip drawdown. But long story short, let's talk about why I took a buy here and then why I reversed my bias. I took a short here, right? I got stopped out here and then once this candle or when this bar closed, I reversed my bias and I took a short here. But let's talk about the trade. Let's talk about the reason why I took the trade that I took, right? Okay. Um, Initially I took a buy here at the top of the range, right? Basically, I took a buy above this bull bar. But when I look back, it's just really inappropriate or it's unreasonable, right? Let's talk about explaining it why, right? So the reason is that at the time we're in a trend range, right? I always believe that okay, this is price breaking above this trend range and probably will start a new market cycle, which is a breakout mode. But like honestly, when you look at the size of the breakout bar, it's just not that strong either, right? Even though yeah, it closed above 4757, but it didn't mean that it already break the trend range, right? I'm possible selling at buying at the train range, top of the train range, right? This is the reason why I lose the train, right? Even though it seemed like it breaking out of the train range, but man, when you look at the string of the bullish bar, it's very small, right? It did not indicate any sense of urgency by buyer, right? It's just very small bullish bar. And additionally, we can see that this is like nested wedge top as well. We can see that that's the wash top, meaning that seller are most likely selling at this price. This is the reason why my buy uh lose money, right? Very terrible buy, but I learned a lesson. I'm grateful that I just pay a little amount of money that I learned the lesson today. And then also, we can see that the breakout point got slapped back immediately. The gap got closed. You can see, right? So this is the reason why I took a short yesterday, but today I took a buy here instead, right? So I definitely did not trade well on this buy because I'm at that time want to chase money. Um, just have that greed that maybe it will work out. Maybe I buy at the top, even though the bullish bar is not that strong, or even though we are possibly still in the top of the trading range, but I just want to buy because I believe the momentum will keep trying price up. But in fact, you can see that very strong bear momentum, very strong bear momentum, signaling that the bullish movement is not that strong. And we're still in a trend range, even though this bar break above the trend range, but with a very small body. And it is not a successful breakout, right? And also we have a very uh easy to identify wedge top, and then next to wedge the gap get close every single time when price break out. So definitely it's not a good idea for buying. And let's talk about the reason why I took a short, right? Basically all those reasons is why I took a short, right? I took a short basically here. Price possibly rejecting this next wedge, fail breakout, top of the trend range. Possible we'll have a two leg 10 bar reversal. Uh, four consecutive, five consecutive bear bar close on this low. Probably will have a second leg down, and then I believe like my stop initial is here, and then I exit my trade somewhere around here. You can see that measure move really work out, right? This is the two time of this like measure move. You can see that a lot of seller take profit here, and I took profit somewhere around here. It's still good, larger than 1 to 1 with your ratio. It makes sense, right? My actual risk is nothing, right? My actual risk is only these drawdown right over here. So this is a fabulous trade, and this is a tremendous trade as well. But today I learned a lesson today, right? Because I feel like that I want to chase money and then I just took a buy here. It's not rational and it's not logical as well. But the good thing is I managed my risk pretty good. I exit immediately below this bull bar and then enter short here. Put my stop here, tying to my initial target is here, but when I saw this type bear channel and the oil price at that time is super bullish as well, you can see right over here. So yeah, I just took a short easily, right? And then just continue riding the trend, right? This is my reflection for today, and today I'm a bit, I don't know how to say, stuttering. I cannot articulate my thought that well, but long story short, it's still my part of the journey. It's still the reflection of my trade. I still be very transparent with my trade and honest with my trading. And I can show you my Funding Perp account for today. Um, yeah, you can see that today I made $500, which is pretty good. And the trade that I took yesterday from the previous video is basically small win right over here. You can see. But this is a mega trade, secure fringe or something good. I know the reason why this trade didn't work out, and next time I will be extremely careful of taking these kind of similar trade, right? Yep. Ciao. And tomorrow I will wake up early, go to work, and just try to learn, evolve, by trading the financial market, right? So, yep. Ciao.